How to add widget with a picture on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Today in this video I'll guide you on how you can add a widget with the picture on iPhone. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to go to the home screen where you want to add the widget. So once you have it, tap and hold on the empty space and here it will start to jiggle, right? Once you do so, here tap on edit option at the top left and you'll find the option add widget. You want to simply tap on add widget and now you want to look for the photos widget. So you can see photos, you can tap on it and now you can choose the size. Tap the photos widget and then you can choose the size here. Tap on add widget and you can add it here. Then here you can tap on the widget, right, and then go ahead and choose the picture that you would like to add it. So this is how you can add picture widget or widget with a picture on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.